I need you to let those things go and understand that not every thought deserves space in your mind. Hello and welcome to Happy, Healthy, Fit, and Fabulous. I hope you're all doing well today. Today we are on day 4 of our 31 Days to Your Best Year Yet series. The topic for today will be how to declutter your mind and finally feel peace again. If you've noticed that your thoughts have been racing and your mind hasn't been quiet in a long time, this is where we begin. Not with the space around you, but with the space within you. A cluttered mind creates a cluttered life. And no matter how many times you reorganize your home, it will never feel peaceful if your inner world still feels crowded. So today, we're going to focus on clearing space here in your thoughts, in your energy, and in your emotional landscape. Because when your mind clears, your life begins to follow. So I'm going to begin by giving you a few points that will help you accomplish this. The first one is, I want you to name what's taking up space in your mind. Becoming overwhelmed doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It builds up over time, thought by thought. Your mind might be holding on to things like replayed conversations, decisions you haven't made, worry about things that you can't control, guilt from the past, pressure to do better or be more, to-do lists that never seem to end, and emotional residue from people around you. Let's just say that clutter is anything that you're holding on to that drains your energy, steals your peace, or keeps you stuck in mental loops. Here's what I would like you to do. I want you to name the one thing that's taking up the most space in your mind right now. By saying it, you are loosening the hold that it has over your life. Number 2, I want you to release the thoughts that do not belong to you. Here's something that we don't acknowledge enough. That some of the thoughts weighing you down aren't even yours. So many times we find ourselves carrying things like someone else's expectations of who we should be, someone else's criticisms of us playing in our minds, someone else's timeline for where we should be in our lives, comparison of ourselves to the people and things we see on social media, and the emotional weight of family and relationships. I need you to let those things go and understand that not every thought deserves space in your mind. You get to choose which ones stay. I want to share with you a quick exercise that may help you to declutter your mind and put down some of the baggage you've been carrying. I want you to visualize taking the heaviest thought that you have out of your mental backpack and placing it on the ground. Then I want you to leave it there and walk away. You've carried it for long enough. And number 3, we are going to create simple daily practices that create mental space. Creating mental space doesn't have to require a huge life adjustment. These small but intentional habits can help you declutter and free up space in your mind. The first one is a 60-second reset. When you start to feel overwhelmed, just take your hand and place it across your heart and take a deep breath. This will bring you back to the present moment and help you to feel centered. The next one is one of my favorites. This is the nightly brain dump. And what this is basically before you go to bed at night, just writing down all the thoughts that you have swirling through your mind. Releasing them on paper allows you to get a better night's rest. Number 3 is writing a priority list each day. This allows you to focus on the things that are really important. And number 4, take a mini digital detox. And what this is taking a few minutes each day, maybe 5 minutes or so, turn off your notifications, turn off your ringer, and just step away for a few minutes. Stepping away from everything and having a few moments of silence to yourself can make a world of difference in how you feel. Mental space isn't created by doing more. It's by doing less on purpose. And number 4, when your mind is finally clear, everything else follows. When your mind feels calmer, decisions become much easier. You stop second-guessing yourself, your mornings flow better, your home feels lighter, and you just have more patience. All of a sudden, you'll find that the things that once felt overwhelming now feel like they're manageable. Decluttering your mind is the first step. Once this space opens up, the rest of your life has room to breathe too. Listen, you deserve clarity. You deserve peace. You deserve a mind that feels like a soft place to land. Just start with one small shift today. Just one. And you will immediately begin to feel the difference. This process doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to begin in order to see the results. If the message of this video was inspiring or helpful to you in any way, I want you to know that I'm creating a free ebook that will accompany this video series. The ebook will contain all 31 themes from the video series, along with some reflection and healing prompts that can hopefully help you continue on your personal journey in the new year. If you are interested in that, I will go ahead and leave the sign up for it down below in the description box, and it will be sent out in the first week of January after this series wraps up. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope to see you for day 5 of the 31 Days to Your Best Year Yet series tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of day. Take care. Bye.